Oh crap, do it, oh crap. How are you? We're having some family over today. Yeah, I am. I thought I would make chocolate espresso whoopie pies, a recipe that I have made dozens of times. So delicious. I restrict myself from making it probably only once a year because you're just eating like solid butter and sugar. Let's go to Stater Brothers and pick up some fucking green beans and salted butter. And then we're gonna make it, okay? Oh, also, I finished this painting. Quite beautiful, you know? Still looking for a gallery out there, you know? Any galleries in the Oh, but look at, I got this doily at the thrift store. Look at that beautiful, that's very luxurious. Like, look at that. But I also did get a really sick as fuck piece of furniture. $50, are you kidding me? I was like, give me the chair right now. I'm gonna read in this. Maybe eating oatmeal. Is it molding? Yeah. It has black speckles everywhere. One might say maybe that's black mold. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, okay? I'm just a human with a really big heart. Oh, do you hear this? Did I give you the tingles? Bone broth, green beans, almonds, butter, different brand of bone broth, because I don't know, crackers and garlic, and that's it. Now, I guess we bake. I gotta clear all this out though because it's in my
Smoke weed every day.
way. I need to get a light. It's so fucking dark in here. BRB. Don't look at my phone. How dare you? Chocolate espresso whoopie pies. Directions. And then fucking shove it into your body. I want more coffee. I'm so fucking tired right now. You are so beautiful. 2 bowls. I'm a gluten-free hoe. And this turns out beautiful. So have no qualms. Have no worries to the expectations of the final product because they will be fantastically delicious inside of your gut. I made myself laugh so hard yesterday, unprovoked. 2/3 cup hot coffee. Do I make espresso? That's a lot of work. I don't know if I want to make a bath. Oh, I'll just warm up cold brews. That I've done it before. It's fine. Y'all ever go to a cafe and get a half calf? If some of y'all sensitive bitches out there are sensitive to caffeine and you want to feel included in the party and you don't want to get some decaf experience, okay, we're riding that line of panic attack and productivity. So. Imagine if I just started mixing with my mouth. All right. Okay. Now get the sugar. It's a good softness. That was stressful on my arm. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. Add half of flour mixture and half of the coffee mixture. DJ, drop the beat until blended, then add the rest. Okay, wow. Batter's all done. Batter's looking fly as fuck, okay? It's getting good. Drop batter by round tablespoons, 2 inches apart. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or at least until cookies are spread or baked. Gotta get cooking sheets out now. These hoes. We're professional. We gotta put parchment paper on it, and I'll see you in 1 second. Okay, great. Now we gotta make the filling, which is all just butter and powdered sugar. I'm gonna reuse this. Alexa, stop. Your coffee's ready, sir. I'm embarrassed. I thought of a joke last night. They're like, do you want tacos? More like take off your clothes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Alexa, stop. 1 tablespoon instant espresso powder. Perfect.
All right, let's do it now.
Ooh, that might have been a little too warmed. Wait, I said Alexa, stop. Okay, wait. Ooh. Wow, I'm such a baker. More like take off your clothes. They could have baked a little longer, okay? Can't lie. They're a little gooey. Smells like death. Okay. 2 cups powdered sugar. WOW. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, girl. Ooh. Okay. Now that delicious fillings are created by me, we shall pipe them into the cooled cookies. Because if you pipe this into the warm cookies, the butter will melt even more and then become even more of a soupy, disgusting experience.
Alexa, stop.
Gloopy gloopy. Does that look like a colostomy bag? Much time has passed, and my friend came over, so I did frost a few for her and her child. Now they're all complete. Beautiful, amazing, delicious, scrumptious chocolate espresso whoopie pies. And I'll catch you later when I eat them. Okay, bye. Does that look overexposed to you?
A little bit. I look white.
I always look white. We're white.
We're white.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the next day. Did we already eat some of these? Big time. Yeah.
Well, we had
Yeah.
prime rib, Christmassy dinner, and it was dessert.
We have presents to open?
With presents.
Oh my god.
Ready? Little fat kid's dream right here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, ready? Cake is so soft, it sticks to your fingers.
Yeah, not cookie, it's like cakey.
It's cakey.
It's cakey.
Kind of reminds you of those Hostess cupcakes, but way gooder.
I can only make this during Christmas time because we would eat all of them.
Mm-hmm.
We had our first time experience with concrete.
Mm.
We're going to show you in a second our faux river we're making right now.
What?
Oh, hello. I didn't think I'd find you here, but this is now my backyard. I'm going to show you the river. Look at my beautiful outfit. Don't get too jealous. Pilgrim, chic. This is the shovel. I did not buy that,
It's old.
but I did place these stones.
Rocks.
Look at them. Oh yeah. Well, all these plants we planted. Plant. See here? See here. We laid concrete down, a thin
Un momento.
What? Look at this. We laid a layer of concrete along the basin, so erosion would be slowed down, weeds suppressed, and aesthetic achieved for the rainy days. And it's gonna rain in like 3 days from now.
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes.
I don't know if you trust the weather system, but this will be flowing like a little river.
Oh.
We have these big rocks cemented in that go to our drain, because before we had all this, it used to just flood back here. And that was really fun for the dogs and for me. I played in that. And I had no regrets. Oh my God, we have, look at this olive tree, right? See this is not a bush. This will turn into a tree. And we laid stones, planted it so the roots wouldn't grow into the earth.
Cute little plants.
Weed cloth. That's about it.
Mm-hmm.
It took a long time and our backs hurt because that cement was like 60 pounds each. And guess who was carrying that?
Not me.
Not her.
I'm tired. I just filled up with that yummy chocolate. I'm gonna go sit in the hot tub
Yeah.
and go Eagles.
What do you think? They're going to win or no?
They're losing right now, but they're gonna win.
Okay.